Hey there! So this is how you install and download the starter pack and the Launch with Words importer. First, you need the starter pack from the website. So it's free. Buy it now. Go through the checkout process. Add in your email address. I definitely want to sign up for the newsletter. I already did. Please wait. Now, this is your purchase receipt. And on your purchase receipt, you're going to have this file, Launch with Words Starter Pack. You're also going to get an email with this, so don't worry. You're going to click this. Now you've downloaded a zip file. In the zip file, you have a JSON file. That's what you're going to import with the plugin. And this nice little welcome letter. It's a PDF. It tells you all the things you need to know. All right. So we have our JSON file. Now keep that. Now let's go to our website. There's a couple things you're going to want to do on your WordPress website before you install Launch with Words. You want to make sure that 1, you have blog categories, 2, that you have authors and their names are the right way, spelled the right way or showing the right way. Okay? So I'm going to go to users, all users. I'm going to edit the admin. So I don't want to just say admin when I publish a blog post, right? I want it to say Bridget Willard because that's who I am. Display name publicly as Bridget Willard. Save profile. Step 2, posts, categories. You are going to want to use something other than uncategorized. So how about business? Add the category. There it is. Now we're ready to install a new plugin. My face is kind of in the way. Plugins, add new. Go to typing, Launch with Words. Install it now. Oh, the leaf blowers are here. The leaf blowers are here. Activate it. Now, under posts, you have the Launch with Words sub choice menu item. Click that. Now, you will also see like prompts, things like that. You'll see the podcast and all things like that, and a link to write us a review. So now this is what we want to do. In this import tab, choose the author, choose the category. If you have a lot of categories, maybe you do want it to be uncategorized, but most businesses don't want to be uncategorized. And this is where we get to import the file. We're going to go to this JSON in our downloads. And as soon as we import it, it takes a couple seconds. 12 posts have been created. When we go to all posts, we'll see them as drafts. Here's March's draft post. And I can look at it and answer the questions. And of course, it's going to ask me what I think about Gutenberg. There it is. You did it. Hooray! Bye.